Okay, well, this is what I've been dealing with for the last 2 days, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so this is as light as it's been. I've just flown it once. My tail wheel is messed up. It's not that little guide in there. For some reason, there's something wrong with the tail wheel. It will not retract, so I just landed, had a nice landing, but it was kind of like it scooted it in a little bit, so I couldn't turn. So, but I popped it back down. So I figured since the rain is just kind of spitting at me now, I'd take advantage of it and wiped it off with a cloth, and we'll see what happens. Fly it again, and because it doesn't look like tomorrow's gonna be worth a damn, so we'll give it another shot here.
Time to start. Gear up, flaps up.
Yeah, it's
Time remaining 5 minutes.
such a pretty plane. Kind of a shitty sky for contrast, but my only beef is that damn tail wheel, or the gear in particular, really. But what do you do? It seems like there's a glitch in all of them, or a weak spot. She sure flies good though. Not a speed demon, but it's all right. It looks
Time remaining 4 minutes.
looks really good on a blue sky day. Yeah, I think the high temperature here today was like 50. I don't know, 54 was the high. And we're past the middle of June, so we've had a weird spring / start to summer.
High rate.
But it's all right. The mountains need the snow, so it's snowing up in the mountains.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just a neat airplane. It's a little right rudder going up. Well, it looks like my tail wheel's actually more down this time than it was the flight before, so that's good. So hopefully when I land, it'll stick for me. Yeah, looper down there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
A little breeze, but not bad. It was nice and calm here just a minute ago. Some nice, good close shots here.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That was close. Alright, let's come around here, put the gear down.
Gear down, landing flaps.
Let's see what we got. Hopefully the tail wheel's down for me. Appears to be. I didn't need to go that high.
Mid-rate. Time expired. High rate.
Hey, alright. It actually let me taxi this time. I had to put her on high rates. I don't, with that tail wheel being kind of damaged, I don't have enough authority on low rates, so. Nice! And the rain's quit, so I got a couple more batteries, so I think I'm going to fly a few more times.